the museum. Let's see how this goes. It looks like a cone elevator. Let's go free. This Hawaiian Polynesian Culture Museum. Oh, what was that on? Pea free and furred. Carpet and there. If you look around it, only like your 2 steps, and yeah, pea free, and that's furred. It's only like 2 steps. And if you go around here, well, there isn't really one over here, but I can't record that one. By the way, I think that's the maintenance road for this elevator. Also, interesting thing in here, closet, and I'm gonna just turn that up. These are some of the inner workings, I guess. It's too dark. Can I turn on the light? Oh yeah, it's a lot better. Yes, these are some of the inner workings. I'm not too sure, but I left this open. Also, I think that's a fire alarm fail, possibly. Here's P2, while the regular 2 is right up there. And of course, down there you got first floor. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this elevator video. By the way, there's more fails. But rather interesting backup light here. Not sure what that like purple thing is, but nice. Should figure out how to get one of those. And yes, there is a lot of fails. Like, holy cow. Why do they just leave that out in the open? Yes, I mean, there is a lot of them in this museum. Seriously, like, just why? Why? And does that beam detector even work at all? But anyways, yeah, gotta keep it short. So, see you in the next video. I'll upload soon.